Welcome back to Miss April's English. Today, we're going to look at conversation at the coffee shop. What could you talk about? Let's get started. Aaron and Cynthia have met up at the coffee shop. Let's see what they're up to. Hi, Aaron. How are you doing? Hi, Cynthia. It's great to see you again. I'm doing well. How about you? It's nice to see you also. I'm doing well. That's good to hear. How's work going? Work is okay. You know how it goes. You're right, I do. No more talking about work then. What's new in your life? Well, I just got a new puppy, so that's keeping me really busy. Oh my, I can imagine, but I'm sure having a puppy is fun. Absolutely. Tell me, what's new with you? Well, I'm actually leaving for Mexico tomorrow morning. Oh, that's great. Is this a work trip or is it for leisure? Oh, I'm going on a much needed vacation. I really need some time to relax and unwind. That sounds amazing. I've never been to Mexico. This will be my first time there. I'll take many pictures and tell you all about it when I return. Thanks, I look forward to it. I hope you have a safe journey. Thank you. Enjoy your coffee, Cynthia. I'm heading home to pack. See you again soon.